Here at Patriot Plumbing, Heating and Cooling, we are a home services company, so we do plumbing, electrical, and heating and air conditioning.
We have 20 employees on staff, plus my business partner and myself, and we service an area of about 40 miles radius around Wenatchee.
When we have employees come work for us, it's not just a paycheck, but it's their family we're taking care of, and so obviously health insurance is a huge part of that.
It's critical for us to have good health insurance available to our employees as part of their employment and compensation program in order to attract and recruit employees with experience, because many employees are working for smaller companies that don't have benefits, and they're at the point in their life that it's important. We found AWB's HealthChoice. I love the online platform for adding employees and the support that I've received when I had questions about benefits or when an employee could go on to the plan. Everyone's been very helpful. But what was really important to us was that we are able to offer a healthcare savings account.
The price is right, the coverage is good, it works for our tradespeople, they can afford it.
We are nothing without our employees, and with AWB's HealthChoice, it gives us the ability to offer big benefits for a small business.